If your stamper has a tear in it, it's usually still okay to use. However, if it has a really, really deep tear, maybe you're pushing too hard or wiggling it around, this kind of motion, also not good. It really is just a soft, quick touch, just that much pressure. And you can kind of see my stamper's still staying in that little divot that we have. It's not going beyond that. It's still sitting in there nicely. This is not good. It will cause your stamper a lot of stress, and eventually you might end up getting tears. Look, I think this just happened now. You see, from like that shaking motion, it ended up causing more tears in the stamper. So again, this and combined with like pushing and not treating your stamper with love will cause it to break.